Hi, it's Terrence from 3.6. This week we're visiting East Central Michigan. Probably one of the most famous places I can think of in that area as far as food goes. Would probably be Zender's and Baverian Inn, which is in Frankenmuth, Michigan. And they're very famous for their chicken dishes. So we're going to do a little baked chicken today. Kind of follow a recipe that's similar to what they have, but not exact. So if you want the exact recipes that they have there at Zender's and the Bavarian Inn, you're going to have to go check those places out.
Yeah.
So we're going to need a few things today to make our dish. We're going to need some flour.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to need some oil, vegetable oil, extra virgin olive oil.
Uh-huh.
We're going to need some pepper.
Uh-huh.
Some salt.
Okay, let's salt. Uh-huh.
Diced onions.
Yes.
Our most important ingredient.
The
Chicken. We're going to need some butter. And then a few accessories we're going to need. We're going to need a Ziploc bag.
To put it in.
We're going to need a pan to cook it in.
And be careful, it's hot.
It is hot. I've already got it warming up right now. And then we're going to need a baking dish. Okay?
And we got some cards over there.
Got some what?
Birthday. We got some cards over there for Mama's birthday and Father's Day.
Right. All right. So, let's start with our first step. Let's see what it involves.
Oh, you're looking on your phone for it?
Well, I've got directions on here on how to make this chicken. We're going to take, first things first, we're going to wash our hands, right?
Yeah, everybody just wants to hands
We're going to wash our hands, make sure we're getting all those germs out of there. You can see.
Yeah.
I don't need you in the video today, Bert.
Okay.
All
That's
right.
too late. But it's okay.
Not today. All right. So we've got our hands washed. We're going to take our chicken. And we are going to open our chicken. Put that air out real quick. Move our butter so you can see.
That nice chicken. Sometimes it's hard for people.
To what? Open the chicken?
To open stuff.
We just got to rip it open.
Can I touch it?
Did you wash your hands? See, that's how the germs get spread.
But it feels so slimy.
All right. So we are going to take...
Ooh.
I almost forgot about an important accessory.
That is raw chicken.
What's this called?
A filler cup?
Not exactly.
A cup that has numbers on it?
It does have numbers on it. These numbers are important because we're going to measure.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna measure 2 cups of flour.
King flour. 2 cups of flour. And you guys don't want too much.
Well, we want 2 cups.
2 cups. With the 2 cups, you want 2 big pancakes.
Look at that.
2 cups.
2 cups
Perfect.
of flour. We're gonna take that. We're gonna add that to our Ziploc bag.
And now it's not completely full, but it has flour in it. Right here.
And then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Let's see how much they want to have us add. I got a little pink Himalayan salt here. Hey, you're the camera girl, right?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. 1/3 of a teaspoon.
1/3 of a teaspoon.
Yep, so let's crack a little in there. Add a little salt for flavor.
Yeah, I love salt.
And
Right, nice and salty.
pepper. 3 teaspoons pepper.
Teaspoons.
Yeah. I'm not measuring it though. I just add it out. That's how I like to cook. Some things I'll from. Okay. You know what I mean. Alright, shake up your flour.
Okay, can I do?
Shake up your flour.
Okay, can I do? I just want to shake up.
Thank you. Camera. I need someone on the camera. What's your job today?
I know.
Alright, next we're going to take our chicken. We're going to put that into our bag of flour
Those look like the pout fish in real life.
Looks like what?
Like the pout fish in real life.
Yeah.
There's like a pout fish in real life. There's some books about a pout fish.
Yeah?
We have at our grandma and grandpa's house that we call Nanny and Papa.
What did you learn about those fish? Anything you remember?
But in a book,
Watch
there's
your-
one where he's like always like so sad, but then like he becomes happy. And there's one where Mr. Clamshell gone, and then her pearl got out.
Alright.
So we saved it for her.
What are we doing with this bird?
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shaking it, chicken up. What's that chicken? What are we doing when we shake it up? Get that chicken in there.
Oh yeah, so it gets everywhere.
Right? You know what? And while we're doing that, let's add some oil to our pan.
Yeah.
Let that heat up. We are gonna fry that chicken in there. I should have did that first. Okay, let's shake this up a little bit more.
And everyone be careful.
Alright. I got a pause button, Bird?
What?
Does that have a pause button?
No.
No. So it's got to record me this whole time?
It's recording.
Okay.
So that's a good thing.
So we've got our chicken and flour all mixed up. We can take our salt, pepper, put that aside. We're done with it. We're done with our oil. And next up, we're going to take a little bit of butter. We're going to add it to, let's see how much.
Can I take some butter?
Quarter pound of butter. We're going to add it to our hot oil.
Can I add it? Because I've never done this
Allow it
before.
to melt it quickly. I need you to focus on doing the camera work. So we've got our oil heating up.
I'm gonna drink some water.
Bird, focus.
Okay.
Butter's melting. Not. Can you bring it over here?
You can hear it.
Yep, let's look at it. Come show. We've got our butter melting in the pan with the hot oil.
It's so fast. It's doing its job.
Next, we're going to add our chicken, one piece at a time.
One piece at a time. Be careful doing this, guys.
Yes. What could happen if you're not careful with hot oil?
You can burn.
Burn yourself. We're going to take this chicken, we're going to lay it in here in little strips.
You're gonna.
And we're just going to brown them.
You're probably gonna have to go to the Corona hospital.
We are just going to get some browning on these because we're actually going to bake most of the chicken. We're not going to fry too much.
And we like to call when it's Corona time, and we see.
We're talking about chicken today.
Okay, fine.
Okay? This is another lesson.
Anyways,
Let's stay
we like to
focused.
call it Corona lights. It's funny.
I'm going to use a little vegetable oil spray. This one's actually canola oil. Little vegetable oil spray. I'm going to spray my pan. Because I don't like my chicken or anything to stick. I want to coat the pan nice. Alright. I'm going to get some tongs.
Tongs.
Yeah. How else am I going to flip that chicken?
I don't know. Probably with like a pancake thing. The one where.
Can you bring that over here? I want to show them. Let's flip the chicken. We're going to grab this chicken carefully.
That looks good.
Alright.
I can't wait to eat
How many?
some.
Can you see how many pieces of chicken are in there? 1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of chicken.
5 pieces of chicken. I was right. You guys can hear that noise.
We'll let those brown up on the sides. We're just going to get a little bit of color on them. And then we're going to add them to our baking dish. And we should also talk about getting our oven preheated.
You should get it to. What should you get it to, baby? Tell me.
Well, we're going to preheat the oven to, bring it over here, 325 degrees. So,
Wow.
every oven is a little different, okay? Ours works like this. I got to press the bake button, and then I'm going to press my temperature, which is 325. So I'm going to go 3, 2, 5. Then I have to press the start button. S-T-A-R-T. Okay?
And then it will magically start cooking.
That's not magic.
Well, it's kind of like it. Kind of. A little bit.
So we're almost there in the temperature. We're up to 314 degrees. Alright. Alright, let's show everybody the chicken I'm going to put in the pan.
There's the chicken. There's the wonderful, beautiful chicken. It's when he said beautiful chicken. Okay, anyway.
4.
Take it seriously, Ella.
Birdhouse. 5. Alright, we got our 5 pieces of chicken in there. I'm going to dig into this bag because I know we have more chicken hiding in here. We're going to put those into the oil.
There was a picture of a special moment of me and my dad of going to a place called the Daddy-Daughter Dance.
What, are you showing everybody the kitchen pictures?
Yes, I would love to. And Emmett and Mama went to a boring magic show that they said was boring. Okay, excuse me. So, the one that has me and my dad in it, that's really special. There was a green screen, and that's how I got it. And Mama and Emmett just got a blue wallpaper with a balloon. And I also want to show you the chicken. The beautiful chicken. I wish I could touch it, but it would probably be hot. And here is my beautiful fish named Marmy.
Alright, focus.
Which is a beta.
Chicken. How many pieces are in here? Let's count these. Ready?
Count.
Count with me. Hold it up so they can see it. Ready? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 pieces of chicken. So we have 7 pieces of chicken here.
And I'm at 4.
And then we have 5 pieces of chicken there.
What is
How many pieces of chicken total is that?
5
7 plus 5.
5? Comment if you know what it is.
Comment if you know how many pieces of chicken that is.
Yeah.
7 plus 5.
That's a math problem question.
Emmett,
Math.
how many pieces of chicken do we have total?
7.
Well, I have 7 in the pan,
And
frying up right now. I have 5 over here.
how much do you
So
think
how many
that is?
total? 7 plus 5.
And don't cheat. But if I like easy, I'm one of those persons. Anyway, 10.
7 plus 5 is 10?
That flour is. I don't know, babe.
Alright, try again. You're
I
off.
don't know math.
Well, add it up.
It's pretty hard
7
for me.
plus 5.
It's hard for me. People say it's easy, but I say it's hard. Some people.
Hey, we're not cooking fish. We're
I
cooking
know.
chicken. Focus on me and the chicken.
I don't want to cook Marmy. Babe, can you please? I mean, can you never cook Marmy?
Alright, let's do this. You ready? 7 plus 5, right? So first we've got 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
6, 7. Right? So 7.
Well,
we're going to add 5.
5 more.
So we're already at 7. We're going to add 5 more. So 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
7 plus 5 is what?
12.
12.
So you guys don't have to comment anymore.
Comment still. Alright, hey, the pan might be hot.
And you can say anything.
Alright, so we've got our chicken. We're going to put it in the pan.
We're gonna try to face this.
We're going to spread them out a little bit.
Put them there. Marmy's liking her new flower that she has in her tank. And she's not liking her
We've got just 3 more. 1,
plant bed.
2,
3.
3. Alright, next up we are going to bake our chicken for 35 minutes. I'm going to set a timer here. So we're going to go to every oven is a little differently again. Mine works with pressing cooking time. I'm going to press 3, 5, start, and we'll be back in a little bit.
Bye. See you guys in a little bit.
Alright, we're going to add some diced onions to our dish before it gets going. So I'm just going to sprinkle some diced onions that I already had cut up, because it seems like we always have diced onions in this house as of lately. which are great on the coney dogs we made last week.
Uh-huh.
So we have the little diced onions to the chicken. We're going to put that back in there and let that cook for 35 minutes. And then we'll see if the chicken is done.
See you later, alligator.
Bye, wow, crocodile.
Bye.
Alright. Timer's going off.
Mm-hmm.
Telling us the chicken is done. I'm going to press the clear off button. Sometimes you got to bring that camera closer, buddy, so you can see what I'm pointing at. Right? So we're going to turn that off. Step back, please. Record me. Alright? We're going to use an oven mitt so we don't burn our hands, because these are going to be really hot. We're going to check our chicken, see how it's coming along. Make sure not to spill it because there's a lot of juices in there. Got the chicken in the video, bud?
Yep.
Let's use our tongs. Let's flip it and look at it. Let's see how it's doing. Alright.
Camera can see it, babe.
Nice. I'm gonna cut a piece in half. Let's make sure our pit chicken is not pink. It looks cooked. It looks cooked. Alright. So that is how you semi-fry
So, babe.
some chicken and bake it.
Babe.
Zender style is a little different. It has some ingredients in there. I will link you to the ingredients and how to make a Zender's chicken if that's what you'd like to do. Ours is going to be a little different. I've got some delicious rice up here, some asparagus to make sure the dish tastes good. Did you have a question for me, sir?
What happens if it turns pink?
If it's still pink, then it means your chicken isn't cooked all the way. And if you cook, or if you eat undercooked chicken, you could get sick. Bacteria in there.
Oh, yeah, it's raw.
Careful, it is, it would still be raw. Careful, it's very hot, okay?
Looks good.
Alright, what do we think? Should we try some?
Yeah.
So, I want to see some of your chicken dishes at home. If you could, make some, post them, share them online. You all have a good day. End the video, sir.
Okay.